Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to upload products to your Wix e-commerce website. First of all, log into your Wix site dashboard and first of all make sure to add store in your Wix website. Once you are in your site dashboard, in this left hand menu, hover over on catalog and hover over on store products and click on products, and then you will directly jump into your Wix e-commerce product page. Currently I have all these products in my e-commerce website. Now to add a new product, just click on new product and select physical product or digital file. So let's upload a physical product, and here just write your product title, and now click here to add your product images. You can also add your product videos here, and in this product info section you have to write your product information. So write here your product headline, you can add a ribbon here, and in this box create a description. Also you can generate AI text description by clicking here, and you can also add additional info section by clicking here. And in this pricing section, describe your product price. You can also add cost of goods here. You can also enable on sale for the product, and you can add a custom text field here. You can add here product options, and you can also enable track inventory. And now all you have to need, in this right hand menu, select show in online store option, and this will show the product in your e-commerce store. And you can also add the product into a specific category from here. And now just click on save and click on publish, and your product will be published in your Wix e-commerce store. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.